All right, guys, so we're almost done. I mean, we're done mounted the box. The box is in here. Check that out. See? I don't need my glove box. So all the wires are right here. So whatever I use, I'll cut off. And then we just got to move all these wires to the side. So got to fish it through the dashboard. This is my coil wire right here. We got to fish it underneath, nice and neat. Run through, down under, and then we'll figure out what we're cutting off and stuff like that. But yeah, we're almost there. But unfortunately, we're not starting it up today. I'm probably going to start it up on Monday. This time, fingers crossed, right? Right now, I'm exhausted. So, I just might leave it for another day. I'll just do some pull-ups and call it a day, right? I'm so tired right now. I'm getting a migraine doing all this wiring. But yeah, it's what it is. About to finish it up though. This is my day. This is my Saturday, guys. I got the heating gun right there. Getting ready to cut and solder all these wires. So we have the new ignition boxes in here. These are all the wires for it. And these are the wires that ran inside the car from outside. So just getting ready to do this, and I'm gonna get this knocked out today. And I think Monday I'm gonna leave the power for another day. I'm gonna leave the power for Monday, which I believe is this one and this black one right here. This is power here that goes directly to the battery, which my battery's in the trunk, so we're not that far. These are my. This is my my distributor right here, and this is the coil. This is the tack wire over here. We're good. Basically, what I'm doing here is just soldering the wires. Slide our shrink on. You need your torch. So shrink on. See? Oop. You want it directly in the middle. And just shrink it. See how easy that was? Then I have another shrink right here. Okay. Let's cut it here in case I gotta cut a little bit more. There we go. Wires cut. There we go. I do have the power wire to hook up also. Power and ground. So power and ground. Okay. I need some sleeves. Put yellow on this one. Yellow's too small. Could definitely do green. Too small on green. Let's do black. That's a 14 gauge right here. We're good. Cool down. Right here in the middle. Don't die on me yet. Just died. Now we gotta refill. Be right back, guys. Refill, do we have any refills? Come on. There we go. Let's get the green one on because it's already already cooled down. And let's get the blue one. Let's get the purple. Purple. Done. Okay, good, perfect, right? Up there, and then we can unplug this and put that in there. There we go, and then this in there. Perfect. All right, and get rid of this mess. And then the last wires we got would be. Alright, this white wire is not being used. Let's get this white wire out. White wire, white wire. Oh, it's on a harness. Alright, I guess I could leave it in there. Roll it up. It's not being used. Too big. Too big. Try this red one here. Nope. Too small. Maybe this one. Yeah. Alright, you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. Give me this black one. You're gonna do this right here. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna clean up anyway, I'm done. Alright guys, we are done. I just gotta hide these wires and then run these to the side, to the back of the trunk.